What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is Saturday, the 21st of November. And we're out just riding around, man. So today it's supposed to be like 40% chance of rain. So me and the brother-in-law have actually gotten out, and we're gonna try to beat the rain. And the reason we're gonna try to beat the rain is because we're not by ourselves. We've also got Mello back here. Say hi, Mello. There's Mello. And then we also got my sister-in-law. Sister-in-law is riding with Gabriel today, so that's freaking cool, man. It's the first time I think she's been out on a ride with us ever. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is it's supposed to start raining around noon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out to Old Montgomery Steakhouse, have some breakfast there, look at the weather while we're there to see what it's looking like, and then determine if we're gonna continue on or just turn around and come back. Because as you can tell, it's pretty cloudy everywhere right now. So pretty cloudy. Sun's back there, but up ahead it's all clouds. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, man, we're just gonna take, like I said, this little short run, and we'll show you once we get to Montgomery Steakhouse, or maybe even a little bit of the back riding. But we'll get back with it. So we'll see you in a little bit. See you. There's my sister-in-law back there just riding. She's all excited. Are you excited? There you go. She's excited. Man, kinfolk, it's been a long time since we've been down here, and they done some changes out here. But yeah, we enjoy riding this road. Like I said, the sister-in-law being the first time she's come out with us, I wanted to take her on our OG roads. All she's seen is just vidges of it, right? So because she's never been out here with us, decided to bring her back to where it all started. And hopefully she enjoys it, man. Hopefully she'll go some more rides with us, so that'd be dope. And but yeah, like I said, it's overcasted big time, and it's supposed to start raining around noon. So we'll see how much of that we catch. Hopefully none of it. If it was just me and the brother-in-law, we'd be I wouldn't give a shit. We'd just go riding. But we got the women folk with us, so we want to make sure that they don't get soaking wet, because me and the brother-in-law got rain gear, but they do not. So we want to make sure they're comfortable, man. And after working yesterday, just getting out on the bike, I don't even care how long it is, just to be able to get out and get on it and do some riding is always lovely. Always enjoy that. And then to be able to do it with our women is also or with our wives. She's probably gonna kick my ass, Mida. And yeah, to be able to do it with our wives, man, is even better. So gotta love it, gotta love it. Alright, kinfolk, we just stopped right here at this little, was it the grill shop? The pit stop shop. And they've got this nice little mural right here, man. It's pretty dope. So we stopped here, took a couple pictures. So if you haven't seen the pictures, go check them out. They'll be on Instagram. My Instagram's right here at knucklestv. So go check it out. And yeah, so now we will continue on to eat some breakfast. Ada says she's hungry. Let's go. Alright, kinfolk, we made it. Old Montgomery Steakhouse, man. You've seen videos here before if you've followed the channel for a while, but this place is really, really good. We always enjoy coming here, man. And during good riding season, this place is always packed with motorcycles. So, but here we are. Got another one over there, right there, and so we're about to go in. I might have a coffee, and Maida's gonna have. What are you gonna have, baby? What are you gonna have? What are you gonna have to eat?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna go look.
We'll see y'all in a little bit. So they all got the sampler and I got the stackable. So that's what the stackable is. You got biscuits, sausage, hash brown, and eggs. Man, oh man, and gravy. Love it. Alright, we're gonna get out there. See you in a little bit. Alright, Kim folk. We done finished up eating. That shit was so good. Damn, look. Look at that. What the hell? Why you wearing my shirt, girl?
Because I can. Because I bought them.
Damn, that's true. Let's see what the sister-in-law thought about it. So what did you think, Letty? What did you think of the Old Montgomery Steakhouse being the first time you've been here?
It was good.
It was good, right?
It's good.
It's good.
A lot of food though.
Yeah, there's a lot of food. And what do you think about the bike ride? So this is your set. You told me what, the second time? Second time you've been on the bike?
Yes.
And what do you think about it?
I'm still nervous.
Still nervous?
Yeah, if there's no cars around it, I'm okay. Yeah. But if there's cars around it, I get nervous.
Yeah, but it feels good, right?
Yes.
It's so good when you get that wind in your head just flapping in the wind.
Yes.
So there you go. Oh man. So yep, she's having a good time, which is always good, because when you get somebody out, man, that don't normally ride, and you know, you always want to take your time and make sure that they feel comfortable and enjoying the ride and not being scared shitless. So, but I think we're gonna try to head to Yankees. What do you say? We're gonna try to head to Yankees and see if we can beat the rain to get over there and have a beer over there. See what's happening. So, but there you go. So we're gonna get back on the road. If we get caught in the rain, we'll let you know. Hey?
Yep.
Alright, Kim folk, we have made it to Anderson.
Turn left in half a mile.
And your boy needs gas because I forgot to fill up back there and only have 34 miles left. So luckily there is a gas station right here. And we did get caught in the rain a little bit. I don't know if you can see the little rain sprinklets here. Not too bad. So I'm not sure if we're gonna end up, as soon as I get fuel, or if we're gonna go ahead and head back to the house or just continue to Yankees, because I'm not sure. Depends on what the girls want to do. We'll see what happens. So this is the gas station we always come to when we're here in Anderson, because there's your courthouse right there. That's the courthouse we always take pictures at. So we're probably gonna end up going, what the hell? Probably gonna end up going going there. Man, they changed this up. So they took the gas pumps out from here and they moved them over here. Huh, that's dope. All right, let's get some fuel. All right, good folk. Well, I got fuel. We decided to not go to Yankees just because the weather towards the house is supposed to start getting bad at noon. It's already noon, so we're gonna try to get to the house and not get too wet. So we are headed back towards the house, and then what we're gonna do is get the vehicles and just go have a michelada. So so yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all enjoyed Letty's first actual adventure out on the bike. This is her second time on the bike, but her first actual adventure. So make sure you leave it down in the comments, man. Tell her congratulations, and hope to see her more in a lot more of the videos. So she's already saying let's go to the hill country, so that might have to be another trip, another video, another adventure. All right, Kim folk, so until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.